Among the most crucial parts of business is lead generation. You want to have recurring and paying customers for a successfully running business. With loads of competitors, generating leads can be difficult. It isn't just you, but most of the businesses find traffic and lead generation as a major challenge. We will discuss here how you can generate leads for your business with effective tips and strategies. Optimizing your profile. This might be a basic point but matters a lot for generating leads. Your profile is the very first impression of your content which will carry on with visitors. The priority for many joining LinkedIn is to make good professional connection. It is hence imminent to optimize your profile in a way which invites professionals to connect with you. Please keep in mind that the other social media norms, that is casual profile and content, won't be applicable here on LinkedIn. Make potential connections. As stated earlier, your LinkedIn profile matters a lot. Make connection with those people who know you. It is important for you to know that adding and bulking up connection won't bring any weightage to your profile. It can only harm your profile reputation. What matters is little but quality connection which have a relation with your profession. Also, don't send connection requests to random people, because if more people reject your request with marking as unknown, LinkedIn is likely to ban your account. Lead generation with quality post content. Your visitors should get an idea about your profession through your content. Uploading irrelevant content will make your visitor confused about your profile and thus leaving. If you are from marketing, then upload something which is relevant to marketing rather than about fashion or interior designing. This should be followed by every user, whether a business or personal profile. Consistency is the key. The key to social media success is consistency. And this isn't just bound to LinkedIn, but for creators or users of every social media website. No matter how good your content is, once you lose the rhythm with the audience, your pace of growth really slows down. Also, there are new creators emerging every day. So with inconsistent uploading, people are more likely to forget you and move on to someone else's. In the case of LinkedIn, you are likely to miss beneficial connection or work opportunities. Follow up with old leads. Instead of running behind new ones, effective lead generation doesn't necessarily mean running behind new leads. Nurturing and following up with the old leads can equally contribute to your business as well. In fact, the ones who are buying from you repeatedly are even better than new leads, as they are both loyal and has less customer acquisition cost as compared to the new leads. Scrapping email from LinkedIn. LinkedIn can be used to collect emails from your connection, which can be used to target them for selling your product. We will learn how to scrap email from LinkedIn in detail in the upcoming lecture.